DFDV stock analysis tomorrow, Friday, and onward. In this 1-minute video, I'm telling you whether DeFi development is a buy or not for me. Look, I'm the only guy in this space who's done this for 5 years, 42,000 videos made, and tens of thousands of picks and calls to the dot count out. Especially with DFDV, like I already have my idea. I mentioned my previous long side, just opportunity to deliver. I was just looking to milk it up, and then it kind of went down. Honestly, I like the shift, you know, I like the whole swing, because it just makes me more interested into buying more, but randomly buying will not be the way that I'll be doing things, right? Yeah, I saw this first break, second one, it's already in place. How this will look like is, I want to see like 15-minute pull downs, whatever. There's a little correction, and only there's a double break, I'm only then looking to double down buy. And if that's not the case, then I'm not buying, especially. So all I will be doing in the meantime is I'll keep waiting. If you want my exact play and all the intricate stuff, click the first link in the description. Absolutely risk free. 1,200 people have tried it. I'm also giving you my picks.